Join Arts and Crafty Central for the 12 days of Craftsmas. Up until Christmas, we'll be releasing 12 crafts, either holiday themed or perfect for holiday gifts. So don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on the holiday fun. To begin, arrange 3 popsicle sticks side by side evenly, and put one lowered on either side. Then hot glue them into that formation. Next, mix red and brown paint to create a burgundy color. Paint the popsicle sticks the dark red. Once the top dries, paint the bottom. Paint 2 plain popsicle sticks brown. Once all the pieces are dry, hot glue the brown popsicle sticks to the bottom of the red piece like this. Next, turn it over and hot glue on a small green bow and some artificial greenery for decoration. Lastly, hot glue a piece of brown yarn onto the back so that the sled can hang as an ornament. These sleds can make the perfect gift as either ornaments or just decorations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next day of Craftsmas.